Hi, in this video, you'll see how to convert a CSE trial license into a production license. Let's get started. We're assuming we've used a free CSE trial that has expired. Once it expires, we lose access to the configuration, and if we want to use CSE, we need to buy a license and apply it. Here, I've logged into my MySonicWall account, and we'll check within my products how the serial number corresponding to CSE1. If we click on it, we see that the license, if we go to the licenses tab, is currently expired. Here we see the license, both Secure Private Access and Secure Internet Access, expired. And indeed, when entering Capture Security Center, we see that Cloud Secure Edge appears as unavailable. We're going back to the MySonicWall account, and let's look for that serial number again within my products. Let's edit and go to the Licenses tab again. The only thing we need to do in this case is select the appropriate line based on what we have purchased. In this case, I have the 2 licenses for 5 users. So we paste the activation key. And here, this will be important later. For now, it doesn't matter because it's expired. The system asks if we want to increase the number of users or register more, or increase the available time for the existing users. Right now, it's not important because it only lets me renew since it's expired. We see that we already have a license, 5 users, and if we go back to Capture Security Center, we'll see how the service becomes available again. It might not show up right away. We might have to click refresh, like in this case. Now it appears in blue, and we regain access to manage the service. Yeah? Here we can navigate to the Licenses tab under Home, and we'll see that we indeed have the 5 licenses that I registered and how many are being used, as well as the percentage of each one being utilized. All right, this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you find it useful, and as always, thank you very much. Take care.